Hello people, so this is my second video of the day and I'm trying to tell myself how do I position my camera such that I don't look as chubby as I'm looking right now. Okay. So people, if you notice, my skin is glowing, and that's not only because I'm sitting under the tube light, but it's also because of this thing called Safi. You know, my grandmom, who crossed over from the India Pakistan border in 1947. Yeah, pretty much. I think they came in August itself, or whatever, April. Yeah, so I mean, right from then, 1947 onwards, it's like Safi, the company, it's a Unani medicine, really, and it does wonders to the skin. Yeah, I've taken the Safi 21-day challenge, and I think I'm just on my sixth or seventh day. Like, it's just been a week of drinking Safi, and my skin is cleared. And how? So, people, Safi works. Yeah, I mean, it's like amazing. So, if you want clear skin, get yourself a bottle of Safi. So, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.